Welcome back. We are continuing to cover the standard RI.3.7 with prompting and support. Describe the relationship between illustrations and the text in which they appear. So we are going to be talking about words and pictures in an informational text. So remember, this informational text is telling us information about something that is in real life. We are going to be using the book What Lives in a Shell. This book is by Kathleen Widener-Zofeld and illustrated by Helen K. Davey. Remember, this informational text we previously read, and it is talking about all of the different types of animals that live in a shell, and it was teaching us what shells do. Does anyone remember what a shell does for an animal? The shell keeps the animal safe and protected from enemies. So as you can see in this picture, the shell is keeping the snail safe from birds. Okay, I am going to go to page 18 and 19 because this is what we are using today. Okay. I am going to model connecting words and pictures. So I'm going to read the words and then we're going to look at the pictures, and I'm going to model how to write what's in the words and what's in the pictures. When you go to the seashore, you can find many different kinds of shells. You may see a crab walking on the sand. A crab has 10 legs. On its front legs are 2 claws. A hard shell covers its claws and the rest of its body. A crab shell fits like a suit of armor. The armor helps keep the crab safe from enemies. But just as you outgrow your favorite shirt, a crab outgrows its shell. When it gets too tight, the crab pulls itself out. Underneath is a new shell. So I'm going to move my T-chart over, and we're going to write about what we found in the words. So the words say the seashore or the beach. You might see different kinds of shells and even a crab. So shells and crabs at the beach. It also says that a crab has 10 legs, 2 claws on its front legs, and a hard shell that covers its whole body. Okay, so now we're going to pay attention to the picture on this page. In the picture on this page, I see a girl in the sand, and I see some seashells. I see a crab. Let me count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, this crab has 10 legs. These front legs are different. These must be the claws. So 2 claws on front legs. And the crab looks shiny. This must be its hard shell. Okay, so now I am going to look at my T-chart and see what's the same in the words and the pictures. Shells and crabs at the beach. So in the picture, I see shells and crabs, and I see a lot of sand, so I assume they're at the beach. So I'm gonna put at the beach. Okay, I see seashells and crabs. The crab has 10 legs. That's also in the picture. There's 2 claws on the front legs. It was talking about that in the text. the words, and it was also showing that in the picture. And then it has a hard shell that covers its body, and in the picture it has a hard shell. So in both the words and the pictures, there's shells and crabs at the beach. Crabs have 10 legs with 2 claws on the front legs, and they have a hard shell. So we are going to look in our reading workbook. The first question says, what information did you get from the words? What information did you get from the words? So I'm going to move my T-chart over to help us. What information did you get from the words? A crab, a girl at the beach, seashells. Just looking at the words, I saw that there were shells and crabs in the words. Did it talk about the girl in the words? Let's look at the words. Shells and crabs at the beach. A crab has 10 legs, 2 claws on the front legs, and a hard shell that covers the body. Think about whether or not it was talking about the girl. All right, circle your answers. Now, oh, sorry, you don't have this book right now, so you're not going to circle the answer. Oh, we are going to all right, now we're going to go on the second question. Try and get this here so you can see it. Okay. What information do you get from the pictures? A crab, a girl at the beach, seashells. A crab, a girl at the beach, seashells. So let's look in the picture. There's a girl in the sand, seashells, and crab. All right, I want you to now take the quiz for words and pictures, day 2. And you are going to select the correct answers to these questions. Have a great day.